Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making taco casserole in the Instant Pot Dual Crisp with Ultimate Lid. Alright, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's hot. I have a pound of ground beef here. I'm going to get that into the Instant Pot. We're going to brown this up. Now I'm not going to add any oil in because the beef is lean, but it's not super lean, so it's going to put off its own grease. I'm going to get this in here and start this browning up. And I have one medium onion I did a fine dice on. I'm going to throw that in with the ground beef and let that start to saute and soften up while the ground beef is browning up. Alright, now that my ground beef is browned, I'm not going to drain it because there really isn't much grease in there to speak of. I'm leaving this on saute. I have one 15-ounce can of black beans I've drained and rinsed, and a 15-ounce can of corn that I drained. That's going down in there. And I'm going to give that a stir. And now we're going to add in our seasoning. I'm going to add in a teaspoon of chili powder. And if you really want to take the easy way out, guys, just buy a pack of taco seasoning mix. Mix that in instead of the seasonings here. I'm going to stir that in. Now you can also put this together and put it in the oven. You don't have to do it in the Instant Pot. I'm going to put in a half a teaspoon of granulated garlic, or you can use garlic powder, which I go a little more than half a teaspoon there, and a half a teaspoon of ground cumin. And when it comes to Mexican food, guys, cumin equals delicious, so don't leave this out if you put your seasonings in. I'm going to give that a stir. Get everything all blended in there. And I'm also going to add in a little bit of salt. This is optional, you really don't have to put a lot in, but I don't like my food boring, and salt does wake it up. I'm going to put in about a half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a stir. Alright, now I have some salsa here. This is chunky salsa. This is going to take about 14 ounces. This is a 24-ounce jar, so I'm going to just eyeball this. And if you go over a little bit, that's no big deal. I'm going to stir that down in. And guys, this is a really quick, easy, and delicious recipe. Just want to stir your salsa in good. Now, I'm going to turn off my Instant Pot because we don't need that to be burning away. Everything's heated through. I have some Fiesta blend or Mexican blend cheese, or taco cheese will do, or even something like Colby Jack will do. I'm going to add about a cup of cheese in there. I'm going to give this a stir. Get our cheese nice and blended. Equal out your ground beef mixture. I'm just scraping down the sides of the pot. Get the worst of the yuck off. Alright, now I have some Dorito nacho chips. They don't have to be Dorito, they could be nacho chips, but Doritos is about the best nacho chip you can buy. I'm going to take some and break them in over top of that. You don't want them so fine that they're breadcrumbs, but you do want them broke up some so they're bite size. And I'm going to put a nice healthy layer in on top of our taco stuff, our taco casserole. And guys, this is smelling fantastic, let me tell you. Alright. Right Alright, now let me move my Doritos out of the way here. Put them over here on the table. I'm going to put some more cheese on top. Cheese this baby up. Okay, that's looking good. That was probably about a cup of cheese. Now I'm going to take my pressure cooker plate out of the Instant Pot. I'll move the camera up so you can see me do this. I'm going to take this out because we're not pressure cooking. We're going to air fry. So I'm going to close my lid down. Alright, I'm going to go over here, press the air fry button. It's set at 400 for 10 minutes. I'm going to push my time, and excuse me guys, I'm still new to this machine. I'm going to set that for 5 minutes. That'll give that time to preheat a little bit, and then it'll start to brown up that cheese. I'll check on it because I don't know how powerful this machine is or how long the air frying times are on it because I'm fairly new to it. But I'll make sure that we don't burn that cheese. Alright guys, this is done. This did all that in a preheating stage. It didn't even go into the full temperature and countdown. So that's why it's important to keep an eye on your machine. See how nice and golden brown the cheese is? Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Add a little more salsa to that and some diced up green onion. Let me get here and give this a try. Look at how cheesy that is, guys. Try to get some corn chip here. Hit a crunch of the corn chip. Not soggy. Well seasoned. Guys, that was really easy. It's really delicious. Try this one out, even if you don't have an Instant Pot, if you just need to do it in the oven. Give it a try because it's really delicious. Alright, there you have it. Taco casserole in the Instant Pot dual crisp with ultimate lid. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.